So, friends, what are the role of youth to fight against COVID 19? COVID 19, the coronavirus, a pandemic, has made us realize that we all are connected and this entire world is a family. Although connected, medical experts have suggested social distancing as one of the perfect solutions to fight against new evil. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji indicated how COVID-19 chain can be splintered with the 21 days country lockdown. But to flatten the curve of COVID-19, the lockdown must be respected and accepted by 130 crore Indians altogether. Youth in India constitutes about more than one fourth of the total population. We, as a responsible youth of this country, should participate in this battle against the zoonotic disease. Now, let's understand the role of youth in his battle. To name some of them from the canvas of history, Lenin, the Russian youth, had a major contribution to the Russian Revolution. Likewise, Mazzini and Bhagat Singh also contributed their role for the country. Friends, this battle can be won by helping the government in this time of exigency. We can spread the right awareness in our dosti, family, XYZ, etc. 24 by 7. WhatsApp group with the right information about this virus. WhatsApp, social media groups always have as much as traffic on our roads. Let us spread the right music among our acquaintances during the situation. Every religious activity has been on halt in lieu of coronavirus outbreak. Still, if we see any of the gathering around, it's our responsibility to guide and report if required. The Constitution of India is the holy book for every Indian citizen, and every order must be accepted as a commandment. We live in a democracy and we have every right to put our thoughts on the table. But this is the time to unite and stand with our government. Admittedly, there is much blot about being tested positive for COVID 19 and facing quarantine for a couple of weeks. But whatever gets measured and gets managed. If the positive cases are effectively measured, we shall be able to contain the outbreak very effectively, friends. So it's our responsibility to spread the right kind of awareness within the family, society, or acquaintances rather than wasting time on optional stuff. The outbreak of coronavirus has affected the mental health of humans as everyone reacts differently to stressful situations. So, in this hour of stress, anxiety, let us spread the right knowledge, right humors, then right videos, and ensure them that we are going to win this battle. Friends, to understand better, it is not the coronavirus which is very dangerous, but it is the quick spread which is a threat. Let us do our part. Let us do our part and participate in this battle by staying at home. So, lastly, I conclude my discussion. I conclude my topic here. My friends, your responsibility is more and more in this battle, fighting against the corona. So, my dear friends, stay home, stay safe, and be aware about this evil. Earlier, we will remove this evil from our country. Thank you so much.